welcome to our video. This is TCK Workshop. This is our 5th episode. Okay, today we have Maya Sensei.
Hello.
Okay, so let's begin with your introduction. So please tell us about your life, basically. Your background.
So I was born in America, Boston. I think it's the same with Oma Sensei.
Oh, really?
Yeah, where he lived. And then I came back to Japan, lived until like 3 years old. Then I moved to the Philippines. I stayed there until 7 years old, I think. And then I came back to Japan, moved a little bit in Japan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
From where to where?
I used to live in Hachioji.
Oh, so like west
Yeah.
Tokyo.
And then I moved to Higashikurume. It's
it's also West Tokyo?
Yeah, West Tokyo, but kind of far.
Yeah.
I think the line is pretty different.
Right.
So. And then when I became 5th grade, I think, I moved to Kenya. Yeah. I stayed there for like 2 years. And I came back to Japan with Juken, to choose Juken. And then from there, I've been living in Japan.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. So tell us about your hobby or something that you like. This is so awkward.
I know.
Okay. So tell us about your hobby or something like that.
My hobby, I guess, is dancing. Like I've been dancing since I was 3 years old.
3 years old.
Haven't you also been dancing?
I've been dancing, but I don't think it was like consecutive. It's like dance, quit, dance, quit, something like that.
What kind of dance have you been?
Okay, so when I was 3 years old, I did ballet. And
Same.
really? No, but it's like, it was not, I was not a good student. I was running around and crying. And then after that, I think I did like hip hop dance, like hip hop dance for kids. And it was at this like local gym. So it was like pretty cheap, you know, because it's for like the local community. So it was really nice. And then I also did jazz dance.
Wow, that's a lot. So you've been like doing...
I guess so, different genres.
Which one did you like enjoy the most?
I mean, I like dancing in general. So I love like yosakoi toka. Wait, no, that was weird.
Really?
No, but
I've never done it.
yosakoi or bohodori. Like any dancing is fun, in my opinion.
True.
Yeah. So, what about you?
Oh yeah, so for me, the beginning ballet is the same. I only did ballet until I was like, up until 6th grade, I think.
That's pretty long though, because
Yeah, I think
3 years old to, let's say 12, that's like 9 years.
But like how intense I did it like changed over time.
Because you moved from place to place.
Exactly.
Right,
Like in Kenya, there wasn't a teacher who can teach like point shoes.
Really?
Yeah, so my mother actually like searched a lot of places, and then she found a place where I could like learn with points. So that was kind of I did like salsa because there wasn't any like ballet classes around in Kenya. So, so
you did salsa. How old were you when you did salsa?
So I guess it was like 5th grade.
Really?
But
so interesting.
I know. And then after my mother found a ballet class, I kind of transferred.
That's when you learned salsa.
But only for like a few months.
Okay.
And then in middle school, I changed to jazz dancing. And I also like was in the dance club of my school. So there we did kind of different types of dance, like girls hip hop.
Right.
I don't know, like K-pop.
K-pop.
I did many types. But I guess like from university, I'm kind of more focused into jazz dancing, and like that's what I still do now.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So I think dance is like a really big part of your identity, or just like you as a person. Why do you think dance is really important to you? I think it's hard to put it into words.
Well, I guess it's kind of like my community, because up until middle school, I think I've been like moving once in like 3 years.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, so I don't have like a home city or like osana najimi, you know, like
Same. Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then like I'm always the one who don't know the past stories. Like, you know, when your friends are talking, I don't know.
The friend groups and the mothers, the family friends. I get it, yeah.
I'm always kind of like the outsider. But then for ballet and dance, they have this specific terms. Like, and if you know those words, you can kind of get it.
Wait, that's
smoothly.
really, that makes so much sense. That's really interesting. What?
How about you? Like, why do you like dancing?
I mean, I think it's just like I have so much energy inside me.
Yeah, true.
I feel like I'm a kid all the time. So I want to do something, but I don't know how to put this energy out. So usually it's talking, like I'm doing right now. It's just like talking, but it's not enough. So I end up like, I don't know, like going on a really long walk or going to new places or traveling. Or like dance. Dance is like, I love music. I think music is at its core for me. So I like anything related to music. So playing instruments, yes. I like singing. I like dancing because they're all like
in music. That's
yeah,
music
really.
is the core.
Yeah. I think that's it.
Why do you like music then?
Who doesn't like music? I don't think I have a good like philosophical answer for that. No, but your answer to like why dancing is really important to you is like so, it makes so much sense now.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, like
So dance is your home.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
And
And also like I've been doing kind of like musicals and shows. I also talked about this with Mizuta-san. But like she asked me, why do you enjoy like musicals? And when I think about it, it's because like for musicals there's like 3 months or like 6 months until the show, so it's really like limited. And then everyone comes audition with a blank, and then we kind of build up together, and then we like go away. So that kind of like if it's like 3 years teamwork, or you know like team sports is kind of like building it every year. Like in that situation, I won't be able to be completely part of that society. But if it's like musical shows, it's like that time I would be full committed. So I felt like I'm the same with others, you know, in the same level.
Yes.
So that I think that's also really why I enjoy musicals. And
that's really nice. What kind of musicals were you like performing in?
The one I really the first like musical I was in was called Grease, I think.
I love Grease.
And that was like when I was in the Philippines, and I was like 5 or 6. Yeah.
So it's like a school play?
Really? Yeah, I think so. I'm not really sure, but there was like an audition, and I remember I got like a role that wasn't on the actual play. Like the teacher made me a role, so that was pretty special for me.
That's really special, yeah.
And like when I look at the films, I'm really, how do you say? For example, do you know like after the scene, there's the lights turn off?
Right.
Yeah, and everyone has to leave after until like the lights go off. So like, but we're still young, so many people want to leave when it's light. But I'm like, we should stay.
The little kids being like, okay, I said my line, I'm done.
I'm like so serious, and all my dancing and singing, like everyone's smiling, enjoying, but I'm so serious. Like I won't make any mistakes. So that was really
I see.
Yeah, I could see that I really enjoyed that. I'm really full committed at that moment. So
So you must be really shining. Like that's your moment to.
Yeah, I didn't think I was like that. So when I looked at it, and I think I saw it like 1 or 2 years ago. I'm like, I didn't know. Yeah,
oh, that's nice that you can still like look at your past
True.
self.
Have you ever seen like your dance shows?
Actually, not.
Really?
Yeah, I think I have a DVD somewhere, but no.
Why?
I don't know. If I find one, I'll probably watch it. Yeah.
For me, I have a question for you.
Okay.
So like you said, you're interested in music, dance, like singing.
Yeah.
So you're pretty. I feel like your curiosity goes to many different areas.
Right. True.
Like how did you become like that? It's really, because for me, I'm more like, I'm interested in this, I don't look at other things.
Oh, right.
I feel like that's really different from
I think it's, well, curiosity, yes. I'm a curious person, so that's number one. I think the second thing is like knowing things, so knowledge or just like mamichishi is fun. Like having that knowledge, knowing something.
Is it like that someone doesn't know, like other people don't know?
No, I don't care if other people know or not. It's just that when you know things, it's fun. Or maybe not, fun is not the word, but it's satisfying. It's like motivating. It's kind of like when you read a book and then you finish reading it, you feel a sense of like satisfaction of like absorbing the book or like kind of like putting in
information.
I guess so. It's kind of like I guess I like to consume content. I'm not very like.
Does it stay in your head, or do you kind of? So you have a good memory.
I have a really good memory. I tell this to everyone. So like, but the problem is I don't remember what I said. I remember what happened. I remember what everyone like did or whatever. I don't remember what I said. So it might be. Yeah, that's kind of not. But anyways, yeah. I think, and then the third one is, I think I told you about this before, but it allows me to connect to other people more easily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
so
because you can understand many other topics.
So like I'm not really interested in anime, to be honest. But in middle school, a lot of my friends in my Suisogakubu, the brass band, they were like all like Aniota.
Wait, so you were in the brass band?
Yeah.
I didn't know. What
I played the percussion.
Oh yeah, you told me that.
Yeah, the drums and the xylophones and everything. And my friends were like Aniota, so they would tell me about their favorite voice actors and then their favorite anime. And I was just like oblivious, but then I just like absorbed those like information. And then when I went to high school, I make new friends, and then they're like, my favorite voice actor is this and that, and I was like, I know that person.
So you can talk about
that. Like I mean, I'm not like the biggest fan of them, but like I can still like relate to people.
So that's also kind of your way to go into a community, I guess.
Yeah, to build like relationships. Yeah. So again, like I think I'm better at like one-on-one rather than like a group, because when it's a group setting, you don't really have enough time to get to know people. It's just like how you engage within the group. But if it's one-on-one, you can like talk about like random things. Yeah, I think so. I like people.
So yeah, maybe that's your core. Like people. I see.
Thank you for the question. Okay, so we both talked about our, like hobbies and like why they mean a lot to us. And next we're gonna talk about something else, which you will see in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And check our Instagram account and X. And also we have LINE, so you can add us there. If you have any questions, please click on the link in the description, and you can have a free consultation with us.